So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to download all the songs in a playlist for offline listening. So if you go to Apple Music and find your playlist, so for instance, here's my Apple Music app, then I'll go to library, and then under library, when you tap on library, this is what you see, and then tap on playlists, and you can see all your playlists. Now, if you want to listen to your music offline without necessarily streaming live from the internet, then you can download them onto the phone, of course, with an Apple Music subscription, and then have them, you can play them later even without streaming because they're going to be on the phone. So for instance, I'm just going to open a playlist like this. I have several songs in this playlist, and to download these songs in this playlist, all I need to do is tap on this little arrow facing downwards at the top there. So tap on that, and as you can see, it's gonna start going around and it's going to start downloading all the songs. As you can see, there's a download animation next to every song. It's going to download one by one until it downloads all the songs, and then now you can go off into your car and listen to all this music without internet. Okay, and that's basically how to download all the music in a playlist for offline listening on your iPhone. Now I'm using the iPhone 14 here. It's actually an iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for other iPhones and iPad. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.